First thing I'm going to use is real butter. I'm going to melt about 2 tablespoons. Go ahead and throw this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, now that I got melted butter, one more little chunk there that's still melting. There we go. Now we're just going to go ahead and brush this butter on all our chicken breasts. You can use oil too, but I like the flavor of real butter. It helps everything stick to the chicken also, the seasonings I'm going to put on it. Okay, after we spread the butter evenly on all the chicken breasts, I'm going to sprinkle it with just black pepper. Dash of salt. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And last and certainly not least, Lawry's. This can make it pretty salty, so you might want to skip one of the two, but I just put a little bit of each on. Alright, that looks good. Now I already preheated our oven to 450 degrees. And I'm going to put it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to start with 15. And then I'll temperature check it after 15 minutes and see if it needs another 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. So, alright, I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, well, that was 15 minutes. Let's take a look at it, see how it looks. Kind of hard to see, but not quite ready yet. I'm going to go ahead and put it in for 5 more. Okay, now while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and use 1 teaspoon of this to make a little chicken stock. To do that, I'm going to use a cup. One teaspoon. And 8 ounces of water. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the microwave for about 3 minutes. Alright, while that's in the microwave, the chicken is close to being done. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm going to have to go ahead and stick a thermometer in there. .152. That's in a pretty thick part, so let's try it one more time right here. 140, 145. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in for another 5 minutes. Okay, this has been in for 2 minutes so far. I think it's done. There we go. Now we have some chicken stock. And I'll show you what we're gonna do with the chicken stock once the chicken's done. All right, we've got the timer going off again. Had it in for a total of 26 minutes so far. Oh wow, it's just there. I'm going to put them in here. And then throw this in the oven while I finish up the rest of the food. Now, you're probably wondering what I'm going to do with this. First, I'm going to scrape all the juices from the bottom. Can't tell yet, this is going to be a dipping sauce. I'm going to put about 1/2 cup in there. There's a nice dipping sauce. Dip your chicken in. Go ahead and keep that warm. Finish up my potatoes and my broccoli.